Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change Facebook page password. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app. Basically, first of we need to realize that we cannot change the password for a page separately. We just need to change the password for the entire Facebook account. To do that, go to menu, tap Add Gear to open settings. After that, we need to open up Meta Account Center. To do that, tap Add, see more in Account Center. After that, tap Add password and security. Select change password. Stop at your Facebook account and then we can change our password. So first off, we need to enter current one in that field. After that, we need to come up with a new one. Your password must be at least 6 characteristics and should include a combination of numbers, letters and special characters. Enter your password in that field and then retype it. After that, you will be able to tap at the button and then your password will be changed. By this way, you can change password of Facebook easily. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.